she, it. For boy, we call he. Girl, we call she. For animal or thing or place, we call them it. Boy,
boy,
he, boy,
boy,
he.
girl,
Girl, she, girl, she. Animal, thing, place.
animal, thing, place.
It,
Animal, thing, place. It. Wow, nice pictures.
can you paste this?
Okay.
Sister,
She,
policeman,
he,
hospital,
it.
father,
He,
playground,
it.
auntie,
She,
uncle,
he,
kusum,
she,
monkey,
it.
nurse,
She,
baby brother,
he,
toy shop,
it.
who likes cake,
She likes,
who likes ice cream,
it likes.
who likes toffees,
He likes,
who likes chocolate,
she likes,
who likes bananas,
it likes.
who likes biscuit.
He likes.
Hello dear parents, the main purpose of this channel, Let's Learn English with Mom, is to teach the parents how you can teach English your kids at home in enjoyable way. If you are interested on this lesson, please subscribe our channel. I'm Anne. Thank you.